Hello everyone and welcome back. First of all, I hope everybody is safe, healthy and feeling good. This video is a small collage of photographs I took in the past couple weeks here in Toronto, Canada. Although some parts of the city resembles post-apocalyptic movie scenes, many neighborhoods still remain vibrant and, for a lack of a better word, pretty normal. At this point, all small or large gatherings are strictly prohibited. Restaurants, movie theaters, hotels, libraries, schools are all closed down. The city is fighting the pandemic, and signs of that battle can be seen everywhere. Walking around the city is very different than ever before. You can't escape that strange and eerie feeling while passing through deserted streets and alleys. They used to be full of people and cars and filled with that distinct city noise. Everything is toned down right now. Uncertainty can be seen on people's faces as well. Many are out there just to buy food and some other necessities. It's amazing what difference a couple weeks can make. First sunny day of spring was a real challenge for a whole lot of Torontonians. Many have been seen walking, exercising and relaxing in city parks and in this beautiful waterfront area. Social distancing is the name of the game. Although not everybody seems to follow this rule, I can only hope people will come to their senses and realize how important it is to do the right thing. After all, Toronto have just declared a state of emergency. For anyone who might be wondering, all photographs are taken with my trustworthy Fujifilm X-T2 18-55mm kit lens and 14mm f2.8 wide-angle prime. Thank you again for watching. Stay healthy and safe and share your love and kindness. Please like and subscribe, and as always, I'll see you next video. All the best.